Welcome to Quiz Quintessence, your YouTube home for the very best quizzes. This is an Animal 50 question quiz, and the questions are moderate to difficult, so don't expect to get them all. There is absolutely no multiple choice. Providing answer options isn't a real quiz. The questions are rapid fire. You have 10 seconds to answer once the question appears. Feel free to pause the video if you need more time. The entire 50 question quiz takes less than 12 minutes. If you enjoy the quiz and would like to see more, hit like, subscribe, and share. With that, let's get started. What animal's name means river horse in Greek? Hippopotamus. What breed of dog is named for the nomadic people of Siberia who bred it? Samoyed. What insect lives the longest? Termite queen, 50 years or more. A shark's teeth aren't embedded in its jaw. What are they attached to? Skin covering the jaw. During World War I, the British Army tried to train what animal to battle submarines? Seagulls. They were supposed to poop on periscopes. What animal's fingerprints are virtually indistinguishable from human fingerprints? Koala bear. They have the same loopy whirling ridges as humans. What is the V-shaped formation of a flock of geese called? Skein. During their lifetime, what animal likely spends the most hours standing? Elephant. They can live over 70 years and are almost always standing. What do scientists believe is the most abundant vertebrate animal with a backbone species? Bristlemouth, small deep-sea fish. What is the fastest known running insect? Australian tiger beetle, 5.6 miles per hour. When Lord Byron became a student at Cambridge, dogs were prohibited. What did he get as a pet? A bear. Since 1994, all dogs are banned in Antarctica. Why? Stop them from introducing diseases to native seals. What is the only animal with 4 forward-facing knees? Elephant. How many eyes do bees have? 5. What is the name for animals that are the opposite of albinos and are all black? Melanistic, an excess of melanin. As a defense mechanism when threatened, what sea creature can shoot out their internal organs? Sea cucumbers. A leveret is the young of what animal? Hare. As exemplified by ants, what is the highest level of animal sociality called? Eusocial. What animal has the longest tongue? Blue whale, about 18 feet long. What do frogs have in their mouths that toads don't? Teeth. How many hearts does an octopus have? 3. What is a baby owl called? Owlet. What is the name for the short, erect tail of a hare, rabbit, or deer? Scoot. What country has the most reptile species? Australia, it has over 860 different reptile species. Humans only have one, but leeches have 32. What? Brains, each controls a different segment of their body. The fennec is the smallest species of what animal? Fox, they only weigh 2 to 3 pounds. What animal has more neck vertebrae than any other warm-blooded animal? Swan, 24 vertebrae. The cheetah is the fastest land animal. What is the second fastest? Pronghorn antelope, 55 miles per hour. A cat is feline. What kind of animal is leprine? Rabbit. What is a group of ravens called? Unkindness or conspiracy. What mammal only poops once a week and can lose 1/3 of its body weight from pooping? Sloth. What animal has the most taste buds? Catfish. It has over 100,000, about 10 times more than humans. What is a baby spider called? Spiderling. What is the only bird with 2 toes on each foot? Ostrich. What is the national animal of Canada? Beaver. What is the sleepiest animal in the world? Koala. It sleeps 22 hours per day. What animal has the world's longest distance migration? Arctic tern, 40,000 to 60,000 miles. What is the largest species of deer? Moose, up to 7 feet tall and 1,500 pounds. During hot or dry periods, what is the equivalent of hibernation? Estivation. The okapi belongs to what family of animals? Giraffe. Some snakes, Komodo dragons, sharks, and turkeys are all capable of what biblical feat? Virgin births. What current multi-organ animal has existed the longest? Jellyfish. They evolved 550 million years ago. Instead of the 5 tastes that humans can detect, whales and dolphins only perceive what single taste? Salty. Opossums don't play dead. If frightened, what do? They go into shock, inducing a comatose state. What is the primary reason a dog's nose is wet? They secrete mucus that aids their sense of smell. Only one species of bear is almost exclusively herbivorous. What is it? Giant panda. What shark is thought to be the largest to have ever existed? Megalodon, up to 59 feet long and 65 tons. What is the name for a castrated rooster? Capon. What animal causes 10% to 20% of all power outages in the United States? Squirrel. What crustacean has 10 eyes spread over their body, including their shell, tail, and near their mouth? Horseshoe crab. How did you do? I hope you enjoyed the quiz, and if you did, please hit like, subscribe, and share to see more. See you next time.